Hey guys, welcome to M&M Plants. Today I want to share about my most recent shopping from like my weekend shopping for my garden. I wanted to buy some more flowering plants and a little more veggies and garden beds, soil. So just thought about sharing it with you all. Uh, it's summer now, like yesterday was almost 40 degrees and then now it's going to be cool for a few days. So I thought of getting some more plants. Started with tomato plants. They were on clearance, to be honest, and like $1 I was getting. Sometimes some of them had like 6 plants and some of them had like 8 plants as well. So $1 for 6 to 8 tomato plants is like very cheap. So I got like eight, I remember eight or nine plants in those two plastic bags that you see for like $2, which is very cheap. And then I also wanted to add some more veggies in my garden. I think I wanted some more lettuce and I was looking for the correct lettuce. There were a few different varieties and I wanted the ones that we can use for burgers and sometimes salads as well. So uh, the iceberg is the lettuce that I don't prefer, but the other ones are the ones that I love. Uh, Tomatoes, actually, I have almost 12 plants of tomato, but for some reason, I feel I'm obsessed with tomatoes, and that's why I wanted to buy. And they're so cheap, so it's not like they're expensive plants, and just makes me happy. And then these flowers, I just wanted to add a little more flowers and garden beds. Now these beds, I love them because they have legs and you don't need to fix it. It's just like you just go home, take them home and you use them. So I bought two in dark green color, and I also got a lot of organic compost and potting mix from Bunnings as well so that I can use it. This is all my shopping. Thank you for watching.